Flipper. There he is. Look at that, just circling the boat. Well, I reckon might have got the weather wrong, I think. Look at that. Holy shit.
Snappers.
Look at that.
Double header of panties.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey, beautiful big bonito.
That's a big bonito.
That's deep sea bonito. Look at that. And look at the size of this nanny guy. Look at it. Woo! Look at that, eh? Big queenie. Look at that.
Let's get it in the boat.
That is a beautiful.
Oh yeah, the charm.
Yeah.
Yeah, the charm.
Oh, that fucking dog, mate.
Shut up and sit down.
Flipper. There he is. Look at that, just circling the boat. Hey? G'day, buddy. Where is he? Hey? Where is he? Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another show. There's a couple of beautiful dolphins put on the show. Dhuie. G'day. How you going, mate?
You go.
J-Dog, and just me. We're gonna go out deep today. We're gonna try out the new boat. I'll do a sesh on the boat to show you all the things that we've put on it and done to it and things, but we're just sort of getting used to it at the moment. So we're gonna go out deep, see what we're gonna get, and it's pretty cold this morning. What are you gonna catch today, mate? Everything, like usual. Yeah. What do you want, mate?
Something, anything.
Anything. See? People that are grateful. Well, I reckon might have got the weather wrong, I think. Look at that. Holy shit. Well, not bad for 5 to 10 knots. It's like 20 to 30 knots at the moment.
Swell going up the cap.
Oh man. It's just nuts. This. Oh shit.
It's called dedication.
Dedication or stupidity, which one? You're on already, mate.
Yeah, mate, I'm fishing left-handed today. Something different.
Oh, you got to change that over.
Snappers.
What do you got?
Snappers.
Couple of snappers.
Double header snappers.
Nice.
Twins.
Look at that.
Double header of panties.
Alright, see what's next.
Oh.
Look at that.
Hey, that's a good size too.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, charity. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, beautiful big bonito.
That's a big bonito.
That's deep sea bonito. Look at that.
Absolutely fresh.
Beautiful.
Is that right?
This is crazy. What do you got, mate?
Oh, this one's got a bit more weight, boys.
Oh.
Snapper, a little bit bigger, hopefully.
Yeah? Good.
No, it's not.
It's not massive, but it's bigger. Oh, look at the mess and look at the size of this nanny guy. Look at it. Holy shit. Gonna let it fall out. Woo! Look at that, eh? Beautiful. Real pinky, Dwayne.
This one here is on it, boys. Yeah. He's angry anyway.
Good, good. How does it feel? You haven't been fishing for a while?
It's only this afternoon.
All right, we'll see what happens. Yeah. Big queenie. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at this. And, oh shit, I tell you what, it's heavy. Fire right up. Let's get it in the boat. Woo! Dwayne does it again. Look at that.
What are we doing with
I
this?
keep that one, yeah. That is a beautiful.
Oh, yeah, the chunk. Yeah, the chunk.
Look at the colour of that.
We've got plenty to catch up on, boys.
Look at the colour of that. Colour of that fucking colour, mate. Alrighty. Show you what we do with the fish when we caught it. Dwayne just caught a fish. So we got the pump on, which is the seawater pump. And then this is the live bait well, but we're using it as our kill tank today. And that is really, really handy. And we get the fish and wash it, and then we can put it straight on ice after that, after about 5-10 minutes. We're washing in the kill tank there, or live bait well, what do you want to call it? Just something to show you, but yeah, no, it's good. Are you one yet or not? No, okay.
Sort of swimming up with it.
Yeah, you didn't say anything. I'd call you. I saw you. It might be another bonito or something, eh?
Yeah, swimming up with me a little bit.
Silent.
Oh, I didn't think I had him. I thought I didn't hook him, but
But you have. He's swimming up, eh? Skippy or... Oh, shit! Huh. He's swimming up.
yeah,
Holy shit.
lost me a second. Are you lost?
There you go.
Schmeggy?
Yeah. I don't know, but it feels alright. So you just got to keep changing shit. Keep changing jigs, keep changing rigs. Finally, I put a little octi on because I thought the fish are not that hungry today. And bang. Thank you, mother, for the rabbits. And I'm 26 metres away, 20 metres away now. And she's fighting hard. Oh, yeah. Get the net, get the net. I don't want to lose it. My first fish of the day. There it is. 8 metres. Boys. Hopefully it's a nanny. Hopefully. What is it? Oh, you bastardo con otro pengón venido más. Ah! Shit!
Neighbour fish.
Neighbour fish. Neighbour. Don't worry, they love them too, don't worry.
Over there, Jay.
Pinky or something? No, nanny.
No.
Hey, on the move.
What do you got, Joe? Another letter or you what? You reckon? No. Come on now. Think big. Think something else.
Oh, pinky.
Pinky?
Jewelry would be nice.
Yes, would be a small joey though.
Yeah.
What'd you get? Ah! Leather jacket.
What do you reckon, Schmeggy?
Well, I reckon that the forecast is a little bit wrong. Ah! I thought it was supposed to get better, but it's just getting worse and worse.
A little bit
Anyway,
wrong.
thank God we got wipers, eh? Anyway.
So what are we up to, Schmeggy?
We're going to go and check out another spot, see if the day gets any better. So it makes our trip a bit more easier for when we get home. But at the moment, it's not letting up. So we'll see what happens. We're going to go here. It doesn't let up, we're going to have to go home. It's getting a bit gnarly out here. Have a look at this. Look at this, coming up now. This is crazy. Look at that big wave. Anyway, we're taking it easy and hopefully the Stabi gets us home. I'm sure it'll get us home, but yeah. Dogs on!
There's a jig. What are you doing, Dwight?
Oh mate, what are you doing?
Leathery.
double header of these.
on! What is it?
It's a chunk party.
That can't be a chunk, surely.
Yeah, no, this one's a triple header.
Yeah. Nah, we got 4 hooks, so. And this thing's just getting heavier.
Getting heavier.
Oh, how did we know?
Oh, you did. Yeah, that's a surprise.
What do you got there, Gap? What do you got, mate? What do you got?
You'll lose that chunk.
Chunk.
Oh.
Golly.
Chunk, surely.
You're playing with the big chunks now.
Playing with the big dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
Oh, this one might be a nanny, maybe. With a bit of luck. Double hookups. Yeah. Oh,
Nanny guy.
nanny guy.
There is something different down there. Thank God for that.
Woo.
Thank God for that. Different. Beautiful. Look at that.
Show off your great.
Holy shit. Hey, at least I don't feel lonely anymore, mate. Can't have one myself. Hey? At least I don't feel left out.
Imagine we could catch nannies this quick.
No.
What do you got there? Another chunk?
Find out. Yep.
Beautiful.
Beautiful chunk.
No way.
Sorry? No way it's a chunk? No? You reckon? Got you on camera? Come on.
I'm not saying.
We'll see what it is shortly. God. What do you got? Oh, it's not a chunk. It's a big nanny. Quick, get the net. Alrighty. Hey. Look at that.
Well, they're there.
Well, the nannies are there. She said you got to get them before the chunks get them. Beautiful. Very nice. Well, the weather's still hanging in there. Don't get any better. Far out. What are you doing, mate?
On the fire warmer up.
Pie warmer. Gee, you're spoiled. How many pies can you fit in there, mate?
40.
You're going to fit 40 in there? No way.
Party pot.
Are you hungry, mate?
Sounds like it.
Shit. We're going to head out, make our way back, and then, but it's just getting really, really shitty now. So, weather's done exactly the opposite of what it was supposed to do. So we're heading off home because it's getting a bit, we don't really know what it's going to do really, to be honest. So it's supposed to be calm now, and it's 2 hours ago and it's not happening. We're back. Just cleaning the boat. The boys are going to go and fill up the fish. Get ready for tonight because that's what we're having. Fresh fish. Yum yum. Not for me though, but for everybody. But I love people eating fresh fish because it's the best. Anyway, this is our stuff for you today. Cleaned everything all up. Everything's washed. Now, gonna go and do the thing. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, leave a message, a comment, and we'll talk to you soon. Until then, stay safe and happy fishing.